Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This is ZoeyScribbles from Meldrum Makerspace. Today I figured I'd show you how to kind of draw a little head bust. Ignore this drawing on the side. This is just kind of the setup I could come up with today. Now, today I'm going to be showing you how to draw like a head bust. So, I guess I'm first going to start off with a circle, and I'm going to kind of make a line for where I want the eyes to kind of go, and I'm going to come down from the side of the head and kind of like make the head, and I'm going to kind of curve inwards and make the chin. Now, personally for me, that doesn't look too great. So you just kind of come down and over like that, and I just kind of do the same on the other side. But I don't really like making flat lines. I'd like to still keep it all like curved. And so then I make my abnormally super big ears, just really big C's on the side of the head, because I really like cute ears and stuff. And yeah. I'm going to use my OC Remy as an example. My style has a lot of like circles implemented into it, so it's just like all very round and circular. So I'll make my little neck, and I'll come outwards like this to make like the shoulders and stuff, and then I'll kind of like curve them on the side, as you can see. And this is what I do when I'm making full bodies as well. And then when I'm making full bodies, I make like a square around it. But because I'm not making a full body today, this is how it looks. So then I will start with the hair normally. So she has little tufts right here that kind of come up and outwards. And then you just kind of like close it off like that. And then she has a little like squiggly hair mop right here that goes around here. So I just kind of like make it a curve in a circle to get down like the basis shape, and then I'll kind of go in and kind of like make all of her curves and these separated pieces. And there we go. And then she has some really cute little pigtails, so I'm just gonna add those in. And then I'm going to add in her eyes and her face. So sometimes I add a line across, not most of the time, but if that helps you, it's a really great thing to do. Normally I just use the circle area of the head, the circle that we drew to start off our head, as kind of that line, and then I just draw the line down the middle. So for the eyes, I kind of like start just by going up and curving it a little bit, like so, and then I curve it over like that, and I kind of like curve it down to come in, and then I make the underneath bit of the eye. I either do it that way, or recently, it's not erasing very well, recently I've been kind of starting the bridge of the eye, and then I come here and I make like this little swoop up to kind of determine like the edges of my eyes, and then you kind of do like the same thing and then just connect it down to here, and then I'm going to make the pupil. And I normally shade it in when I'm not planning on like Oscar penning it or something. And then I'll make two lines coming outward from the eyes, the eyelashes, and then I'll just add like little cheek blushy bits on the ears. And like cheeks and stuff and whatnot. And then like I'll add them in like the t-shirt and stuff. So Remy has a little like sweater. And so then after that, I'll probably draw the other eye. the curve. And I draw very rounded eyes. It's very hard for me to draw characters with other types of eyes, and that is something I want to learn. Maybe I'll make a video on drawing different eye types and learn how to do that. Again, I'm going to add the little eyelashy bits. Just define. Oh, my pencil there. So then I'm going to add little blushies. I kind of add like a little bit of shading under the chin, and that's basically the most distinct shading area in all of my art. Unless they're wearing like a really high turtleneck or something. And so then I will next make the nose. So I do like a really tiny little circle, and then I come kind of up from that down, and then I make like a little bump. That's a really bad explanation and a bad nose. Oh, my nose is really hard to describe. It's kind of like a little squiggly, but it makes a really cute nose. And then my mouth, you can do a lot. I tend to go for this mouth a lot, and I'm trying to get out of that phase because it's just like the same mouth over and over in my sketchbooks. So today, I'm gonna do this mouth a lot too. Let's give her like just a cute like little cat smile. That's what I like to call them because they're just cute. Then with her eyebrows, I'll start like rounding them like that. Come upwards and like kind of down and make the eyebrow shape. I'm making her very happy right now, but like you do the same thing with like a sad face. You'd make the circle, but then instead of coming upwards like this, you go like downwards like that, you know? So just kind of do that on both sides, kind of try and make it even and check as I go, or I like forget to check as I go or something. So sometimes I'll like make just an entire circle and fill it in and then work off of that. It doesn't work as well, but sometimes it works a little better. So I go between those two techniques, but I definitely like this technique better. And I'm messing up so much, and this eraser is crap. Here's my needed eraser. So I'm gonna round it. But it's away from the eye, else it just like muddles in with the eye. That was my problem. And I'll do it like that. So my sketches are very messy. I tend to leave it at that, and then lately I've been really into Posca penning my sketches. So if you would like to see me Posca pen this, please comment down below. I really hope this is like helpful at all. Probably not that much, but editing Zoe here. Please make sure to comment down below, like and subscribe the video. Don't forget to turn on bell notifications so you know every time I upload a new art video or we upload any more family fun game videos or anything like that. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good day. Bye.